Hello everyone and welcome to How To Tutorial. So today in this video I will show you how to sign up to Weibo account. So what is Weibo? Weibo is basically a Chinese Twitter which is based on text, images, pictures, videos, and if you are a great fan of Chinese stuff then this is the right place to go through. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now first of all, open a web browser, go to your search tab and type www.weibo.com and enter. Now this will directly lead you to the official website of Weibo and it looks like this. Now scroll down a little and you can see a tab appearing. Now go there and you can see this register here. Now click on it. From here you can register your Weibo account. So you will need to give your mobile number and make sure that your country is available for Weibo. So according to it, choose a country by clicking on this drop down option and give your number as well and set your password according to your desire. Select your date of birth from those drop-down options and then for the verification code, click on Get SMS Activation button here, and after that follow the on-screen given instruction and then you will receive a verification code on the number that you have provided, and with this give your verification code here and lastly click on this sign up button here. So that was it for today guys. It was a very simple and easy process. I hope you all guys liked the video, and if you guys find the video helpful then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.